Hi, this is Kathi Quinn with Floriani. Floriani is a division of R&K Distributing, and I want to welcome you to this week's Project of the Week. Well, it's spring. There's all kinds of new things going on. Our gardens are getting planted, and of course, Floriani is growing all kinds of new features for you. They'll be coming out soon. We've got a new club. We have so much going on. But I want to talk to you about the strongest feature in Floriani Total Control U. Now, this is exclusive to Total Control U. It's exclusive to Floriani. Nobody else has this feature. It is ours and ours alone because nobody has Walter Floriani. Walter is a 5th generation digitizer. He's a master digitizer, and Walter has all the secrets of his family, all the power of his family coming into our software through an amazing feature. So I'm going to go to the library and I'm going to go to April of 2017. I'm going to pull this little design over. Okay, I've got this little cute duck design here. Now, there are rules for embroidery. I have a fill in here. How do I know I have a fill? Well, look in your sequence view. This is a fill. Now, if I go and I look over here, what's this? Oh, that's a satin. This is a satin. So right now, I've got a satin next to a fill. Let me check his feet out. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, we've got a fill next to a fill. And of course, we can all see we've got a run stitch next to a fill, a run stitch next to a satin. So I have several stitch combinations. Well, here's the deal. If I sent this duck, if I had a picture of this duck, and I called 123 ABACC embroidery digitize for me, or something, I called a digitizing place and I said, I want you to digitize this duck. They're going to say, what's the finished size of the duck? That's the first thing, because that's going to help depend on stitch types by the size of the areas. The next thing they're going to ask me is, what are you going to put it on? So if I say a knit, they're going to digitize it different than if I said I'm going to put it on a canvas or a broadcloth or a cotton or a boiled wool. It's always going to be different because the amount of pull compensation, the amount of overlap, everything I have to do is very different depending upon the fabric it's going on. The underlay is different. Everything's changed. So when you buy a design, unfortunately, we buy one design, but it's digitized one way. Now what are we going to do? Well, I'm going to put this on a onesie. I'm also going to put it on a broadcloth canvas bag. And I want to put it on some polar fleece. I've got 3 or 4 different ideas. But now, this is not digitized for all those fabrics. So either you're going to have too many stitches, not enough stitches. You're going to have it pulling away where you've got a satin next to a fill because there's a very definite amount of overlap. Let me just zoom in here to kind of give you a little bit of an idea. Okay, do you see right here how far in this outline is? Well, you and I would think, well, I got to pull this out. No, because already this is going to pull in when it hits the fabric. This is a satin stitch, so it's got a different amount of play on the edges that we had with that fill, and the direction of the stitches makes a difference. So there's a lot of things that are involved in stitching out a good design. Now, usually what we get is we get designs that are bulletproof because the digitizers have digitized them to cheap, sorry, jersey knit. Because if they'll stitch on that and not fall apart, they'll stitch on anything. So now when I go to put this on a broadcloth or a canvas, all of a sudden I've got way too many stitches. So what Floriani has to me is the one-click wonder. It's magic. It has Walter in one click. So I'm going to take this design and I'm going to say File, Save to Sew. Now I am amazed at how many of our owners, our customers, ask me about this feature because they don't really understand it. So that's why I'm taking time this week, even though we've talked about it before. I want to really push home the importance of using this when you're going to go stitch out a design. So I'm going to say Save to Sew. Now the first thing it's asking me is, Kathi, what type of fabric are you putting this on? Well, I'm going to say I'm putting it on a onesie and I didn't digitize it because I didn't. Somebody else did. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select New Style Settings because I want Walter to apply new density. I want him to apply underlay that has to do with a knit. apply new pull compensation to go with the knit, and any other settings Walter feels that need to be changed from what this design has. I'm telling Walter, please change it for me and make this design go on a baby onesie. Now I'm going to go to next, and I want you to notice before I hit that, I've got 8,057 stitches. It's about a 4x4 design, so I'm going to hit next. Now notice it went down to 4,023 stitches. How many stitches did I just lose? See, I didn't need all that extra stuff. So now it's telling me, the next thing it's telling me that's amazing, and this, all of us need this, because not every one of us knows how to stabilize for each and every fabric. And remember, stabilizer makes or breaks a design. I don't care how well it's digitized. I don't care whatever else. If you do not stabilize that fabric properly, it is not going to stitch out properly. So right now it's telling me first, I want you to take no show mesh fusible. Why? Because you have to have a cutaway on a knit. If it stretches, you must put a cutaway because you've got to stop the stretch. Now, if you don't understand how to use the product, you don't understand the information on the product, you have a link to product info right here. And right here, you can watch a video of how to press it on, how to put the stabilizer on the back. Everything you need to do is right here, video and written. Now, the next thing it's saying is you can't hoop a onesie. We all know that. So we're going to come here to Floriani Perfect Stick. So we're going to hoop Perfect Stick Stabilizer in our hoop. We're going to score it, pull it away. Now again, if you don't know what Perfect Stick is, how it works, why you're using it, watch the video, read the product info. Now the next step is stick that item down. So we're going to stick this down. We're not trying to hoop the onesie. We're sticking it down to the tacky Perfect Stick after putting on our mesh. And then it's telling me you've got to put a topping. Now it's telling you if you prefer water soluble, you can substitute water soluble topping. Sometimes you can substitute and sometimes you can't. If you've got a towel, you're not going to have the ability to top it with water soluble. And it's also telling you, hey, if you don't have any Perfect Stick, you can substitute Wet and Gone Tacky for Perfect Stick. It's going to tell me the needle to use. This is an amazing feature. Now watch what happens when I say finish. It now allows me to pick my format to save my design. I'm not going to save it, but this is something I love. Look what it did. In my design notes, it put my steps down for me. It reiterated what was on the Save2Sew, so you don't have to write it down. Or remember, if you watch the videos, then you understand the specific stabilizers. And if I went to print this out on some template tearaway or just a piece of paper so I had the information, I can go to print preview and I want to show you what it's done. Here it has, it's printed out below this design, exactly those 4 steps. This is pretty amazing. And the fact it redigitized this design, so now it's going to stitch out perfect for me on a knit. Do you see the difference here? Look at the differences we've got. We've got some differences in here. We have a difference in our density. Walter has fixed it. Now you've got to realize I'm zoomed in 1200%. You're not going to see this. It looks like there's gaps. There's not. So let's go ahead and 3D it. Let's put this actual size. Well, it's 3D'd. It is. I could put it 100%, but it's already at 98% on here, so it's pretty close. There's a 100% right here. Okay. That's the actual size of the little design there that's going to go on. So you can see this has all been redone to work on my knit. Now let's go ahead. Let me go ahead and get a new piece of paper. Let's go get that same design. Oops, I dropped him. Let's grab him. Okay, now let's take this same design. Let's go File, Save2Sew. Now remember, we've got 8,057 stitches. Let's pick something else. Let's say I'm going to put him on, let's see what else do we want to put him on. Let's put him on some, let's put him on, we don't want to knit because we've already done a knit. Let's go ahead and put him on, a woven cotton. Okay, we're just going to put him on nice little woven cotton. I didn't digitize him. I want Walter to do everything. Now I'm going to go to next. And now it changed it to 3,771 stitches. Again, I don't need near the amount of stitches that was in that original design. Now, this time it says, Kathi, put Floriani heat and stay on the back. If I don't understand that, watch the video. Because now it's a stable fabric. I don't need a cutaway. I just need a tearaway. But this will explain everything to you. Hoop it. Now top it. This is important. All this is very, very important. Now, if the design's overly dense or poorly digitized, prep the fabric first with Dreamweave Ultra. So now it's going to also give you some other suggestions to use. Again, I would finish this. It's going to put those same things right here for me, so I've got them. So Save2Sew is the absolute most powerful feature you'll ever see. Now, I'm sure there's other software that have what they call recipes. You know, use the recipe for a woven or whatever. But these are Walter's family's settings. It's their pull compensation. It's their underlays. It's all of their family secrets at how they were one of the greatest names of embroidery. Remember, the House of Floriani was one of the first embroidery houses to come to the United States. They did Disney, they did Nike, they did HealthTex, they did Carter, they did Coca-Cola. They were one of the biggest commercial embroiderers in the United States. And it's because they were good embroidery. Embroidery should feel like butter, according to Walter. And if you follow using Save2Sew and follow the Floriani rules for stabilizing, you can't go wrong, whether you're a brand new embroiderer or whether you've been embroidering for years, but you never embroidered on. And I mean, we've got some stuff here. Maybe you've never embroidered on leather. You've never embroidered on Duchess satin. You've never put it on a cap. I mean, really, there's all kinds of things that you may have never embroidered on. Well, now you don't have to guess and hope you don't ruin the cap or hope you don't ruin that fabric. Now you can come right here, let Walter change the digitizing, and then let Kay's excellent information on stabilizers that she has worked very hard to create and tell you how to stabilize exactly, because the digitizing is Walter and all the stabilizers are Kay. So we have all the expert built into a one-click wonder. Touch Save2Sew, stitch out beautiful, gorgeous embroidery by using the most powerful Floriani feature. No matter what we add, that is the most powerful feature on the market today. So have a great day. Oh, and I have to tell you the most exciting thing. If you want our Floriani continuing software education, we're going to release this. If you want to do a project from thought to digitizing to total construction with complete video instruction, you're going to want to join our Floriani continuing software education. It's for more in depth. Let's go deeper. Let's do a lot more. And we're going to do this from start to finish. So look forward to seeing this coming soon and start asking questions of your dealers about where it is. So I look forward to seeing you again next week. Have a wonderful week. Thanks for coming.